Hey Denise, thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I want to talk about Krugh Custom Services. And before we get started, my name is Joshua Gutierrez. I'm with Peterson SEO, and I love helping small business owners crush their goals and move to the top. So with that, let's get to it. So I looked up Krugh Custom Services, and I noticed you don't have a website. Um, so I do want to show you different things that we can that I can kind of help you. There's three different things that we can get your presence known online. First thing is on a website would be um, the content and the amount. Second thing would be backlinks attached to your web page along with keywords. And the third thing would be citations with your Google Business Profile, which ends up in the map pack. So with that, let's get started. So for example, I typed in Restoration Lakeside, California, and this is called the Google Business Profile, and these are the top three slots for organics. These are called organics. 70% of your business comes from here. 30% of your business comes from here. So um, with that, I'll show you a quick example. Let's look at something a little bit lower in the restoration area. And I know you guys do painting and restoration and whatnot, so it's kind of linked to all that. But we can do painting. We can look up painting uh, and see what that does. But let's look at Smart Dry. They're a little bit down uh, from here, so let's look at Smart Dry. Here's kind of what their website looks like. They have, if I look at this, they have about 500 words of content. Google really loves 1,500 to 2,000. So um, that's, in a nutshell, that's pretty much what they like. And this, like I said, this website's um, just an example, kind of just to kind of show you, um, and and what they look like. So now let's look and see your what these guys' competitor is. Excuse me. So again, we type in Restoration Lakeside, and let's go to the top. Um, if we look at Puro Clean, take a quick look at them. All right, so this is what their website looks like. Here's kind of what it's a decent website. There's their services here. These are non-clickables. If it was up to me, I would have them clickable. Customers, about us. Let's see how many words of content they got, and it's very brief, so about 200 words of content. So that's kind of in a nutshell what it looks like. Um, let's see here. It's kind of copy, and I kind of want to show you example content. Well, to wrap up content, that pretty much wraps it up. I mean, Google really looks for 1,500 to 2,000 keywords of content in their websites to get you up there. So I plugged in that Smart Dry Restoration. That's the first one we looked at. The second one we looked at is this fire one, or the pure fire and water damage restoration. Um, so it's PuroClean. So I went ahead and let's kind of compare them. This is the one that we had before. This is their power. So that's power, that's trust. And usually this tool will tell us everything. So it's a present view, live view of their organic traffic. So they got about 7 organics, and we have access to all this. build you a website and we can tie in all this. So, but we want to really follow in what these guys are doing. So 56 out of 100, 68 out of 100. So they got 99.4K organic traffic. That's a lot. So wow, like these guys are really, um, really doing their due diligence on their work, and it kind of shows here. So that's an example of kind of what backlinks are, um, and keywords. So we have access to all these keywords, and they're all tied to them. Now, if you look on the website, what they should be doing is tying in keywords to every 250 words on a homepage. So if we did that in content, we could definitely blow these guys out of the water and then start ranking. So with that, let's talk about the third thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, citations, usually when you do have a website and stuff, citations pretty much um, go on your Google Business Profile, which is up here. So when you create a Google Business Profile, right up here, then you could you'll see your business up here, but you got to do, say you want to be ranked in Restoration Lakeside, then you want your business up here. And all we got to do is just do 100% completion on their business profile, save their pictures to the right items, uh, meaning keywords, things of that nature. So we want to do what these guys are doing and then some. And then that way, that would ensure that you can get your online presence on there. What would it be worth to you? You know, if you could make 20K more, um, as an example, a month, or what would that be worth to you? I mean, that would be worth every penny for me. But with that being said, I mean, that's pretty much all I have for you. I hope this information was useful to you, Denise. And if you need someone to help guide you through the process, go ahead and look me up. My name is Joshua Gutierrez. I'm with Peterson SEO. My number is 505-331-7995. And if not, this is your information. No harm, no foul. This is information for you to use. So go ahead and feel free to use it anytime. With that, I hope the rest of your day is good to you. And thank you for your time. Bye-bye now.